what's up. That is the blasted stroller. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am about to have to struggle to put together Cherish stroller. This will be an amazing video of y'all watching me struggle to try and put this together. So Cherish basically outgrew her stroller. I heard a Mickey Mouse one, but it was one of those little 1, 2, 3 strollers where you just plop them in there. But oftentimes when we're outside, she falls asleep. So with her falling asleep, she's just really uncomfortable. She had the even flow. So when she was a baby, but it was like a lay down one, and we tried to go to the mall the other day and she was just too big for it. Got the toddler version. It's supposed to be good until she's 4. Let's hope so, because she's big. She's a big girl. Instructions, where are you? We have 4 wheels. Fancy stroller, I don't know. Fancy. Okay. What does that say? Left. The reading is from pencil. That's why I didn't play because it wasn't on the right side. This is very sturdy. Let's read it up. This says assembly, right? But it only shows the wheel part, and then when you go to the next page, it's showing how to open it. But when you keep going, it shows you how to attach the cup holder, which is fairly just clicking it here. I'm just gonna skip that part. I have the cup holder to attach a seat. Before attaching seat to stroller, check to make sure the mounts are in the most upright position. If they are not set to the upright position, you will need to squeeze the handle at the top of the seat and rotate them as shown. Oh, so this right here, squeeze this and then rotate. Okay. Okay. Seat is stretched and attach mounts onto both sides. Up. Guys, I'm about to go on YouTube and try to find it. I can't.
Snap them in, and then use your foot. That color is so pretty.
I don't see him. Okay. So from what I'm seeing, this is not even on there because the stroller needs that. And then that would make more sense because I don't understand what the side pieces for is, you know what? These pieces are not even in there. This is supposed to leverage and go in there because the whole time I'm just trying to understand how. And said, don't pull this all the way down. So he said, don't pull it all the way down yet. So let it itch up a little bit. So we're gonna itch it up a little bit. Right, and then we're gonna take these two sides and it just slides in there, and it's in there. Just like that. Oh, so nice. And then there's the stroller. That's the stroller. That is the blasted stroller. What is this for? And it all told me. So put it in there. I don't even understand. We could have been done. Like right now, I am completely upset because where are they? These don't belong on there. So I'm just trying to understand why are they in there. If I want to reverse it, I just slide the two sides, pop it up, like so, and then I can turn it around this way and just slide it in there, and it even went that way. And look, my baby has a big girl stroller. It's supposed to. Wow. And if she falls asleep, just stop. Y'all, I'm mad. Izzy, do you know how long I was fighting with this? Do you know how long I was fighting with this? And then I just pulled a little lever, and just like that. And then, look at that. See, this is the fancy stuff of 2020 that I just can't. Because I did crazy. Oh, probably because I didn't know. Something just clipped on this side. Why isn't it clicking? I'm hot now. I'm sweating bullets, but I got it done. I figured it out. That's the most important part. Stuff is for men to do. It's not for us. But we got it. It's together. Now my baby can go and be rude again.